Need a little afternoon pick-me-up? Who doesn't? Try no-bake trail mix bites. First, you'll start out with some cereal. I have FiberOne as well as Rice Krispies. Add this to a big mixing bowl, along with some pepitas, dried cranberries, dried coconut, and crushed pistachios. Now you'll need the glue, some crunchy peanut butter, sesame tahini, season with cinnamon, and add some honey for some extra sweetness. The last thing is date paste. This will really bind everything together. Mix it all up, and you're ready to make the bites. Form them by collecting a small amount of the trail mix into your hand and compressing it into a ball shape. Lay the finished bites into a pan that can then be frozen, but can always be kept on your counter as well. If you have any extra hands, like your kids or husband, this process could take a long time if you are making a big batch. So call in the troops. You can also customize your trail mix by using different kinds of nuts and dried fruit. I got most of my ingredients at Sassool Mediterranean Cafe's market, and there is lots of variety to choose from. And there you have it, your perfect healthy dessert or midday snack. These trail mix bites have lots of nutritious ingredients, but the delicious flavor will have you grabbing for more. See the description below for the complete recipe. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my page if you'd like more recipes and kitchen fun. Till next time.